Hello and welcome to the Campus Nights. My name is Sonali.
And I'm Kaya.
And today we are sharing some hidden study spots around campus, some free resources, and study tips for your upcoming finals. So let's get started. So Tech Commons is near the College of Sciences building, and here you can come work in their computer lab where they have a plethora of different software apps such as the Adobe Suite or coding programs. And if your iPads or computers at home are having technical difficulties, then you can come here and get them serviced and rent them out for free.
If you have a final paper due, come to the second floor of the Student Union in the Express Printing Lab. You're allotted $2 every week, which equals about 100 pages. All you need is your student ID.
If you're in need of a Scantron or a test booklet, you can come to the SGA office located on the second floor of the Student Union to pick up one free Scantron or a test booklet per day. After 5, you'll need to pick this up in the Student Union lobby at the front desk.
Starting December 1st through the 8th, the Student Union and SARC will be hosting Study Union. This will give you an opportunity to get into the study groove for your upcoming finals.
Our first hidden spot is the outdoor area outside of Burnett Honors College. It's absolutely serene out here with the beautiful plants and the koi fish pond. Next, we have the Recreation and Wellness Center Pool Deck. This is a nice shaded area which you can enjoy the outdoors while also getting some studying done. The next hidden spot is located in the Business Administration building, and it is the outdoor space in the starter space. You can come here to spark some ideas or work on your final papers. Haven't started on your final project? The Idea Lab in the Engineering building is a great place to come to bounce ideas off of other students or just to get your creative juices flowing. Next, we have the second floor of Millican Hall. This study spot has an insane view of the reflecting pond, so whether you need to take a break between your finals or cram for your next exam, this is the spot for you. The next study spot is the Deck of Career Services. This spot has a beautiful view of campus, but make sure you check the hours before going up to the patio. Lastly, we have the newly renovated 5th floor of the library. There is a bunch of modern seating which is super comfortable for those days before finals. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Campus Nights.
If you're interested in any of the resources, check the link in the description box below.
Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at ucf.edu. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!